Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to claim codes from different regions in Xbox. So let's get started. Number 1. Change your region. On your Xbox console, go to Settings, go to the Systems and select the language and location and change your region to match the region of the code you want to claim. Number 2. Restart your console. Restart your Xbox to apply the new region settings. Number 3. Sign into your account. Log into your Xbox Live account. Make sure it's the same account you want to use for claiming the code. Number 4. Navigate to the store. From the home screen, go to the Microsoft Store. Number 5. Select a redeem code. Scroll down and select redeem or use a code from the store menu. Number 6. Enter the code. Input your code and follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. Make sure to switch back to your original region if needed. Enjoy your newly claimed content. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.